Welcome to Module 3, Transformative Applications of AI in Legal Practice. In this module, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various aspects of legal practice, bringing innovation, efficiency, and precision to everyday tasks. AI-powered contract review. We'll start by delving into how AI is transforming contract review, providing you with insights into its applications and the benefits it brings in terms of speed, accuracy, and compliance. AI-powered document automation and contract lifecycle management. Next, we'll cover AI-powered document automation and contract lifecycle management, exploring how AI can streamline the creation, management, and review of legal documents, saving valuable time and resources. eDiscovery and Technology-Assisted Review, TAR. We'll also look into eDiscovery and Technology-Assisted Review, TAR, understanding its process flow, applications, and how AI enhances the efficiency and accuracy of legal data collection and analysis during litigation. Litigation support and AI in dispute resolution. Finally, we'll explore AI in litigation support and dispute resolution, focusing on how AI tools are being used to enhance case preparation, negotiation, and resolution, making legal practices more effective and fair. Let's dive into the transformative world of AI in legal practice and see how these tools are driving precision, efficiency, and innovation. Welcome to AI-powered contract review, where technology is transforming how legal professionals handle contracts. Here's how AI enhances contract review. Risk identification. AI spots legal risks like unfavorable clauses or missing terms, helping you address issues early. Clause comparison. It automatically compares standard and customized clauses to ensure consistency and compliance. Contract term extraction. AI extracts key terms, obligations, and deadlines from complex contracts, making it easy to find crucial details. Automated review. Contracts are reviewed against predefined standards, highlighting areas that need attention. Error detection. AI detects inconsistencies, typos, and missing information, ensuring contract accuracy. Tools like Luminance and Logix take it a step further, automating clause identification, risk assessment, and compliance monitoring, saving time and improving precision. AI makes contract review faster, smarter, and more accurate, empowering legal teams to focus on what matters most. AI-powered document automation is revolutionizing the legal world by making document creation smarter, faster, and more reliable. Let's dive into how this technology simplifies legal workflows. AI-powered tools enable automated drafting by creating templates for common legal documents like contracts, agreements, and wills. These templates follow standard structures and legal requirements, ensuring compliance and precision. Next is data population. You provide case-specific information, and AI does the heavy lifting. Client names, dates, and clauses are seamlessly filled into the template, saving you hours of manual work. AI also ensures legal consistency, automatically cross-checking documents for compliance with current standards and eliminating inaccuracies. Say goodbye to oversights and hello to confidence in your drafts. And let's not forget time efficiency. Routine tasks are automated, freeing up legal professionals to focus on strategy and analysis instead of repetitive drafting. The benefits? Faster drafting, standardized language, and cost savings. No more rework or lengthy revisions. Need to manage revisions? With streamlined version control, everyone stays on the same page. Track changes, collaborate in real time, and maintain a centralized source of truth for every document. In short, AI-powered documents automation empowers lawyers to draft smarter, collaborate better, and deliver results faster. Legal excellence is now just a few clicks away. AI in contract lifecycle management is transforming the way legal teams handle contracts, bringing speed, accuracy, and insight to every step of the process. Let's explore what it's all about and the game-changing benefits it offers. Imagine automating contract creation, review, and approval. Tasks that once took days can now be done in minutes. AI-powered tools handle these repetitive processes effortlessly, saving time and boosting efficiency across your workflows. Need to review contracts faster? AI algorithms analyze terms, clauses, and language with remarkable speed, highlighting key points and potential risks. This means you can focus on the critical aspects without getting bogged down in the details. But the magic doesn't stop there. Contract management becomes a breeze with real-time updates. AI tools provide a clear picture of contract status, obligations, and performance at any given moment. Compliance issues? Missed deadlines? Not anymore. AI ensures you stay ahead of potential problems. The benefits are clear: streamlined workflows, reduced review times, and enhanced management. With AI in your corner, contract lifecycle management isn't just easier, it's smarter, more efficient, and ready for the future of legal work. In the world of modern litigation and investigations, where digital data is vast and ever-expanding, eDiscovery with AI is revolutionizing the game. By combining artificial intelligence and technology-assisted review, or TAR, legal professionals can streamline the process of identifying, collecting, and analyzing the electronic data. It's faster, smarter, and more cost-effective than ever before. AI brings speed, reducing the time spent on manual document review and saving costs by automating repetitive tasks that would typically require a large team. Accuracy is a major win, with AI identifying critical documents while minimizing errors. And scalability. AI effortlessly handles vast amounts of data across multiple platforms, making even large-scale cases manageable. The process flow of TAR in eDiscovery. Here's how it works. Identification. Advanced search techniques help locate potentially relevant documents. Model training. AI learns by analyzing sample data to recognize patterns and relevance. Prioritization. The system ranks documents for human review, focusing first on the most relevant. Sampling and refinement. Feedback from human reviewers fine-tunes the model for even better results. Quality control. Periodic checks ensure accuracy and compliance. This isn't just about automation, it's about collaboration between AI and human expertise. Key benefits. Predictive coding. This feature uses machine learning to speed up reviews, improve accuracy, and slash costs. Automated categorization. Say goodbye to hours of sorting. AI organizes documents with consistent tagging, saving time and effort. Similarity identification. Quickly analyze multiple contracts or find related documents to uncover risks and inconsistencies. Concept clustering. Imagine legal documents grouped by themes. This makes navigating large data sets seamless and supports better research and strategic planning. AI doesn't just assist, it empowers legal teams to focus on high-value tasks, improving efficiency and outcomes in every case. With eDiscovery powered by AI, legal professionals are no longer just keeping up with the digital age, they're leading it. As we come to the final topic of this module, let's explore a transformative area in legal practice: AI in dispute resolution. First, we delve into AI in online dispute resolution, or ODR. Imagine resolving disputes online with the help of AI tools that bring unparalleled efficiency, impartiality, and accessibility to the process. These technologies are reshaping how conflicts are managed, breaking down barriers of time and location. Next, we look at AI-powered negotiation and mediation. AI algorithms are now stepping in to assist parties during negotiation and mediation, offering data-driven insights and helping them reach mutually beneficial agreements faster than ever before. In AI-driven arbitration processes, automation plays a pivotal role. From managing cases and analyzing evidence to supporting decision-making, AI is streamlining arbitration like never before, saving time and improving consistency. Finally, we consider AI's impact on dispute resolution outcomes. With AI, fairness and consistency can be significantly enhanced, ensuring outcomes are well-informed and equitable, while always maintaining the critical oversight and accountability of human professionals. And that wraps up this module on the transformative applications of AI in legal practice. I hope you found the insights practical and inspiring. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey in leveraging AI to elevate legal workflows. Until we meet in the next module, keep exploring, learning, and reimagining the future of law with AI. See you soon.